So this is going to be reading for the sign of Capricorn, all that I need to know from now until the end of the month, what's happening with your connection, your person, their feelings, intention, what's their thought process, their major, you know, intention when it comes to this relationship, possible blockages, and the near outcome. Okay, so let's start for Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and North Node. So first three cards for you, and then we move to your person as usual. Okay. So currently the first card we have for you is Eight of Pentacles. So many of you guys could be focused on wanting to achieve a target or a goal. Okay, I don't see love life being your major, like concern right now. Top card we have is Fool in the reverse. When it comes to your relationship, you guys have almost given up, I would say. Okay, one more card in terms of what else is coming up in terms of Capricorn. Okay, with Nine of Wands in the reverse, in the past, you guys could have been possibly hung over someone from the, like past person, whoever you had in your mind. You were possibly stuck on them, but now I see you being much more free, much more relaxed. Okay, with Nine of Wands in the reverse, you have almost given up on the idea of working harder towards it. What else do we see coming up for Capricorn, please? With the Hierophant card, you guys are going to be much more focused on achieving your targets, your goals. You're much more focused about your image, your possible finances. Some of you guys might be wanting to level up in terms of your education or something, like related to work. Okay, some of you guys, I believe, if you guys were married and you had a third party who you had feelings for, but you were also married, then I believe you guys are going to hold on to your marriage. You're not going to go for the third party shit. Okay, what else do we see coming up for the sign of Capricorn? With King of Pentacles, I see finances looking extremely good. Okay, selected few of you, I'm getting a message that if you have to choose between two people, one who you have feelings for and one who can give you that stability in life, that financial stability, that emotional stability, you don't have to possibly think and keep yourself like awake that this person will cheat you or like put you through a major stress. Then you'll choose the easier option. You're going to choose someone who's much more stable. If the person can offer you something stronger, something committed, then you're going to go for it. Okay, now coming back to your relationship, what's happening? So with Page of Wands, I believe this person may be a fire sign for some of you. Some of you, this person might also be younger than you. This person is wanting to message you or will be messaging you or could have messaged you as well. Okay, in terms of how are they thinking about Capricorn? Yeah, with Two of Cups, they know that you are the one for them. Okay, however, what could have been blocking them? This person was possibly waiting on you to message them first. Okay, so maybe just your person was lazy. They were wanting to see if you were bothered, but this person was definitely keeping a watch on you. I won't say stalking, but they wanted to see like what you were up to or what you were doing or what you're gonna do next. But with definitely with Two of Cups, this person is wanting to be with you. Okay, and when it comes to their feelings, in the past this person could have not taken action towards you and that could have really irritated you. In terms of your their feelings, I see the Fool. Okay, Page of Swords. Page of Swords is a card where someone is not too expressive. Again, I'm getting fire and possibly air, so many of you guys could be dealing with the Libra as well. Okay, someone who's little immature, maybe because of the age or they're just like that. Okay, they lack emotional stability. They lack that wanting to make things work. Even if they are possibly wanting to be in relationship with you, they won't really express that. They won't really say that out loud. Okay, one more card in terms of their heart space. How do they feel about Capricorn? With the Tower card, heart space, they feel a fallout with you. Maybe that they feel like you have walked away or you are getting away or you have gotten away. But with the Tower card, they don't see the two of you together. With Five of Cups, they do miss you. They do regret whatever they have done and said to you in the past. Okay, one more card in terms of their hate space. What's happening? Headspace with Page of Cups, this person is wanting to come back with a possible apology. Okay, this person is definitely wanting to apologize for whatever shit that they have put you through. They might not be expressing their feelings too much, but they'll definitely be much more, like considerate in terms of what they have done. Okay, one more card. What are their major intentions going to be towards Capricorn? King of Swords, they want to talk to you, dear. They want to speak the truth. Okay, what action they want to take towards you? Seven of Cups. So say suppose they had option and were possibly still exploring their option, then I believe they will want to choose you over the rest. Okay, in terms of what are they wanting to offer you? Six of Wands. This person is wanting to possibly succeed with you when it comes to the relationship. They're wanting to give you their attention for now. Okay. Four of Swords. However, darling, to be very honest, they might still take a couple of days more to reach out. Okay, say suppose you're watching it today, then whenever you're watching it, they might take a couple of days extra from whenever you've been watching it to reach out. But they have intention. They have solid intention of reaching out. Okay. So for now, how do they view you? The Fool in the reverse. They view you as someone who is not wanting to risk it with them. They view you as someone who is not wanting to take that jump with them. You are possibly reluctant to take any action towards them. You have almost given up, and they can feel it. They can sense it. Now, when it comes to the partnership, how do they view you? In the partnership with the World card, they feel like they can have it all with you, like literally have a long term like connection. Okay, for now, where do is this connection going? Two of Wands. For now, it's going to be at crossroads. But with Temperance card, I do see you guys being able to compromise and finding the common ground, that is being on the same page. Right now, you might not be, but in the coming week, you have an opportunity to reconnect. Okay, for now, I still see you being at crossroads. For now, I still see you not wanting to face them, not wanting to react. Okay, in terms of their energy towards you, energy towards you, they are stuck on you regardless if you want them or not. They feel obsessed with you. They cannot stop thinking about you. Okay, in terms of how do they think about you, with Knight of Wands, every time they think about you, they want to come forward. Okay, so if you guys stay open to them, how would that turn out? With Ace of Swords, there is a solid chance that you guys will be able to communicate, and whatever you've been wanting to say out loud, you will be able to say that. Okay, I see an opportunity. This relationship has a potential of going full circle, that is up to marriage. Okay, so yes, let's take couple of love messages. You gotta trust me. I do want this. Give me some time. You gotta trust me. I do want this. Give me some time. Okay. Second is I am truly sorry. So they have, I mean, they are definitely sorry for whatever they put you through. Okay. I am planning to surprise you. So maybe this person is wanting to come forward and possibly surprise you over, I don't know, they might gift you something or just maybe knocking at your door or something like that. Okay, but whatever it is, this person is wanting you this time. Okay, so if it resonated, it has been a very positive reading. Usually, you know that I do not sugarcoat any readings. If it is good, I give it the way it is. Okay, if it is bad, you're going to get it the way it is. So if you have enjoyed the reading, do hit the like button, do support the channel through your likes, comments, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you want a personal reading with me, I have a 15% off going on discount. Please go to the website and use the code happy birthday 09. Okay, thank you so much for coming in, and I hope to see you soon, guys. Cheers.